Welcome to Rock Your Fashion. Have you ever caught yourself avoiding certain colours or styles because you think they're too young for you? You know that moment when you're standing in front of your closet, second-guessing every choice because society has convinced you there's an expiration date on style. You're not alone. Here's the wonderful news. Age doesn't dictate your style, your confidence does. I've got 7 common style mistakes that are aging you unnecessarily, and the simple fixes that'll have you looking vibrant and absolutely fabulous. Stay with me because mistake number 5 is going to completely change how you approach getting dressed. Mistake number 1. Playing it too safe with colour. The biggest mistake women over 40 make is thinking they need to fade into the background with beige, grey and black everything. When you drain all the colour from your wardrobe, you literally drain the life from your appearance. Neutral overload doesn't make you look sophisticated, it makes you invisible. Here's your colour confidence fix. Start incorporating one vibrant piece into your neutral foundation. Choose jewel tones like emerald, sapphire or ruby for deeper complexions, or coral, turquoise and warm pink for lighter skin tones. Keep your base neutral with well-fitted black trousers or a navy blazer. Then add one statement piece in your power colour. Think a vibrant silk scarf, emerald green blouse, or stunning coral sweater. Colour brings light to your face and energy to your entire presence. You'll look more youthful instantly. If you're loving these age-defying style tips, don't forget to subscribe. Next up, we're talking about the fit mistake that's adding years to your silhouette. Mistake number 2. Hiding your body in oversized everything. Are you one of those women who thinks loose, baggy clothing is more flattering and age-appropriate? Actually, drowning yourself in oversized pieces actually makes you look older, heavier, and less put together. Fit, not size, creates elegance and sophistication. Choose pieces that skim your body rather than cling or tent. Look for structured blazers that nip in at the waist, straight leg trousers that follow your natural line, and tops that show your silhouette without being tight. Invest in alterations to ensure sleeves hit at the right length, hems fall perfectly, and waistlines sit where they're most flattering. Proper fit creates clean, elegant lines that make you look taller, slimmer, and infinitely more polished. Well-fitted clothes will always trump designer pieces that don't fit properly. Choose pieces that celebrate your body rather than hide it. Confidence is the most youthful thing you can wear. Coming up next, the shoe mistake that's literally weighing down your entire look. Mistake number 3. Wearing chunky, orthopedic-looking shoes. The fashion world wants you to believe that comfort and style can't coexist, leading many women to resign themselves to clunky, medical-looking footwear that instantly ages any outfit. Find shoes that prioritize comfort without sacrificing elegance. They absolutely exist. Invest in quality leather flats with arch support, low-heeled ankle boots with cushioned soles, or sleek sneakers in premium materials. Choose classic colours like black, brown, navy, or nude. Pair pointed toe flats with tailored trousers and silk blouses. Wear ankle boots with midi dresses and structured blazers. Style premium white sneakers with wide leg trousers and cashmere sweaters. When your shoes look intentional and polished, comfort becomes a sophisticated choice rather than a compromise. But wait until you see the accessory mistake that's screaming old lady from across the room. Mistake number 4. Carrying oversized, structured handbags. Many women grab the biggest, most practical bag they can find, thinking functionality trumps everything else. But enormous, rigid handbags make you look like you're heading to a board meeting in 1985. Find bags that balance function with modern sophistication. Choose medium-sized bags in soft leather that hold their shape without looking armour-plated. Select bags that hit at your waist or hip level with straps that rest comfortably at your side. Stick to classic colours like black, cognac, navy or camel that work with multiple outfits. Add one statement bag in a rich jewel tone for impact. Modern, well-proportioned handbags instantly update any look. Here comes the fabric mistake that's making you look dated without you even realising it. Mistake number 5. Choosing fabrics that scream mature. This is the secret that separates women who look vibrant from those who look resigned to age-appropriate dressing. Certain fabrics instantly telegraph older woman trying to dress her age, instead of confident woman expressing her style. The key is understanding which fabrics work with your body and lifestyle while maintaining a fresh, contemporary appearance. Fabric don'ts include polyester blouses that look shiny and cheap, jersey knits that cling in unflattering ways, and overly textured fabrics like heavy tweeds that add visual weight and age. Your fabric upgrade. Choose natural fibres like silk, cotton, linen, and wool in quality constructions. Look for ponte knits that hold their shape, silk blouses that drape beautifully, and structured cottons that look crisp and fresh. Winning combinations include silk blouses with wool trousers, cotton button-downs with linen blazers, or cashmere sweaters with well-fitted denim. The genius is how quality fabrics move with your body and photograph beautifully under any lighting. They instantly elevate even simple pieces into sophisticated looks. Quality fabrics prove that luxury comes from choosing well, not spending more. Next, we're exploring the pattern mistake that's making you disappear. Mistake number 6. Avoiding all patterns and prints. Many women think patterns are too busy, too young, or too risky after 40. But eliminating all prints from your wardrobe creates looks that are flat, boring, and frankly forgettable. The secret is choosing patterns that enhance rather than overwhelm your natural beauty. Your pattern strategy. Start with classic prints like subtle stripes, small polka dots, or elegant florals in sophisticated colorways. Avoid anything neon, cartoon-like, or overly trendy. Perfect pattern placement means wearing prints on top to draw attention to your face, or choosing a printed bottom with a solid top for balance. Mix patterns by varying scale. Pair a small print with a larger one in coordinating colors. Sophisticated combinations include navy and white striped tops with solid navy trousers, or floral blouses in muted tones with black pants and a structured blazer. The transformation happens when you realize patterns add interest, personality, and visual energy to your outfits. Done right, they make you look more vibrant and engaging. Choose patterns that feel authentically you. Confidence in your choices is what makes any print work beautifully. Our final mistake reveals why your entire approach to dressing might be aging you. Mistake number 7. Dressing for the woman you think you should be. The most important mistake isn't about clothes at all, it's about mindset. When you dress based on what you think is appropriate for your age, rather than what makes you feel confident and beautiful, you age yourself instantly. The right approach is dressing for the woman you are, vibrant, interesting, and completely worthy of looking fantastic. Key mindset shifts include stopping asking, "Is this too young for me?" and starting to ask, "Does this make me feel confident?" Replace "I'm too old for that" with, "Does this reflect my personality?" Your confidence formula. Choose pieces that make you stand taller, smile wider, and feel more like yourself. Build a wardrobe around your lifestyle, your preferences, and your genuine style personality. Practice embracing compliments and owning your choices. When you wear something because you love it, that confidence radiates and makes everything look better. Remember, the most stylish women in Paris and Milan don't dress for their age. They dress for their joy, their confidence, and their authentic selves. Style evolves, but the confidence to embrace who you are, that only grows stronger with time. No matter your age, you deserve to feel beautiful, powerful, and completely yourself. You don't need to sacrifice your personality to look sophisticated. These 7 fixes prove that authenticity and elegance can coexist beautifully. French women, Italian women, they don't ask for permission to feel fabulous at any age. And neither should you. You've earned your right to express yourself without compromising your style. Every choice you make should feel as authentic as you look. Your wisdom, your experience, your refined taste. These are the things that create true elegance. The clothes are just the foundation for your confidence to shine. What's one style rule you're ready to break to feel more like yourself? Share it in the comments. I love hearing your stories and celebrating your style journeys. And until next time, take care and remember, style isn't an age, it's a mindset. Ciao, ciao.